Well, hello there, it's Ina here, and welcome to my art room. Today I will be working with this Halloween wall decor piece here I picked up at a thrift store. It has a very nice wooden sturdy frame, and I start by covering the background with my white gesso. I really love working on these type of recycled substrates, especially if they have a unique design, are very sturdy, have a nice texture and so on. More fun than working on a blank substrate I can buy at an art store, and it's a lot cheaper. So next I am using some crackle paste, and I put a good amount just here and there on the frame and a bit on the background as well. Now this paste needs to dry, preferably for at least a couple of hours, but then I will get some really nice crackles like you can see here. Now, to prevent those crackles from flaking, I will seal them in with a thin coat of Mod Podge. Next, I will be using a wipe-up paper towel. It has some glimmer mist on it, and it will give me a nice starting point towards the color choices for this project, and also provides me with extra texture. Well, I think this is a good time to turn you over to some music. I will add all the mediums I'm using in the captions, as well as anything that you may need explaining, and I will talk to you latest towards the end. Enjoy. For a last touch on the owl, to just bring it out a bit more, I added this Prima wax in kind of a light copper bronze color. And that's it. So here it is. And as you can see, I cleaned up the back just by adding some craft paper. This one has a typewriter print. The frame came with a hanger. Here you see the edges and all the crackles and colors and textures. I always like to clean up my pieces in the back and on the sides. And then here, of course, is my focal point, the owl. Lots of interesting details and textures on him and also on the background and all over, really. But I think I did not overdo it on adding little bits and pieces. I of course color coordinated those tiny micro beads with the rest of the project, and then here on the bottom is just this tiny little charm with a green eye bead, which I think it's nice to have just a little something hanging or moving. So that's it for today's project. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. As you saw, I used very simple material, so please give it a go. Thank you so much for visiting with me today. Stay well and healthy and creative. I see you soon, latest next Friday, and bye bye for now.